to eat exotic fruits. We will be eating a pomegranate. So I've inspected the fruit, and I can tell from my previous experience that the skin of this fruit is inedible. So I will proceed to cut it first. Now my lovely assistant will provide sandwich.
Continue, don't stop here.
So I will make an incision at the navel of this pomegranate, and I will then continue to investigate it further inside. Keep in mind, I have never eaten pomegranate. It's hard. And got some sort of juice you can see now. Very red. Okay. It's bled significantly and it's alien in sign.
Would you like to show us, please?
Evolution is real. Okay. So fork. It's the seed. I don't like the seed there.
A question: have you been eating it before?
No, I've never had
it. Okay, and you never peeled it.
Okay. Okay. This is very bitter and somehow unpleasant, I have to say. Tastes like dirt.
Can we get one half, please? Another half?
Yeah, make sure you don't.
So, I feel like the fork method is inefficient. Luckily, I have a spoon here. I will try with the spoon. I will try to eat it with a spoon. Okay. I have to say this is faster, but equally unpleasant. So, I'm really interested in the juice that comes from the pomegranate. So I will commence to drink the juice that is on this cutting board. No. Pineapple is a superior form of fruit. I'm sorry. I'll try to drink it again, just to be sure.
How does it taste? That's exactly how you should eat the...
I have to say this pomegranate thing is not well thought out. First of all, it's hard to cut. Then what I assume is the meat of the fruit is tightly packaged around the seed, and it tastes, I would say, somewhat disappointing. So, as a conclusion, avoid pomegranate whenever possible. Thank you.